Oh. Sweet, a little hint of spiciness. Juicy, crispy. This is really, really good. Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking Asian crispy sweet soy chicken. So let's start cooking. Now we are going to do a very simple marinade on our chicken wings. I have with me over here 1 kilogram of chicken wings. I've actually cut them into half, just wash them and then just pat them dry. Using a fork, let's just poke through the wings like this so that the marinade can actually get into the wings much easier and faster. Just a few steps will do. For the marinade, it's very easy. 1 teaspoon of salt and a few dashes of white pepper. If you prefer black pepper, you can do so too, no problem. Now just using your hands, just mix them up well. When you are done with this, we'll leave this in the fridge to marinate for 2 hours, or at least 2 hours. I'll see you back in a while. I marinated the chicken wings for approximately 3 to 4 hours, and now we're just going to coat this with corn flour. Right, we're just going to coat all our wings with corn flour. And after that, we just rest them for approximately 10 minutes or so before we deep fry them. Okay, continue to do everything up and I'll show you the next step after this. Now we're going to do a shallow fry on our wings. Heat up a wok of oil. Make sure it's hot enough. I'm using medium heat. You can do the same too. Now how do we know whether the oil is hot enough or not? Using a bamboo chopstick, just put it into the oil. If you see bubbles rising up like this, that means the oil is hot enough. Okay? Now, I would suggest that we fry the drumstick first, the small drumsticks first, before we do the other part of the wings. Okay? So that they will be cooked more evenly and it's easier to judge the time. Gently place them in, but try not to crowd the wok too much. I'll be doing double fry on this, which means that I will need to fry this into a light golden brown first before I refry them again at a higher temperature for it to be golden brown and really crispy. Now when you put it in the oil, do not move them around. We want the crust to form first before we turn it to the other side. It's been about 1.5 minutes, 2 minutes. Now I think we can flip it to the other side. Right, you can actually feel that the crust has formed. Gently just turn them to the other side. Before you fry or deep fry anything, please remove the protein from the fridge at least 20 to 30 minutes first before you cook them, just to make sure that they will be evenly cooked. What we are doing here today is actually a Southeast Asian inspired chicken wings using ingredients from Southeast Asia, and this is going to be very, very good. I've got this idea from Wingstop. They recently had something like this, so we decided to recreate this at home. We just need to fry this to a light golden brown. I'll show you exactly how the color looks like in a while. If you do not want to shallow fry or deep fry them, you can actually air fry them if you want to. Alright, just set your temperature to 180 degrees Celsius for approximately 20 minutes. But do spray some oil on them to have that beautiful brown color. Okay, this is the color that we want. We'll now remove them from oil. Carry on with our second batch. Continue to fry all of your wings and I'll show you the next step after this. We are done with our first fry and now we want to do our second fry. Remember to remove as much as the flour that remains inside the oil, so that later when you fry it, you don't have any dark bits that sticks onto the wings. Make sure that the oil is hot. If it's smoking a little, that's fine, right? I'm just going to put the drumlet in first. Okay, this will take approximately 15-20 seconds. You can put all the drumlet in at one go because basically they are about 80% cooked already. You just need to crisp them up a little, move them around a little bit, turn them. You want to achieve a slightly darker color from just now. Remember, when you're deep frying, the important thing is not to turn off the heat when you're removing the wings or any proteins or any of the things that you deep fry. Otherwise, the oil will be lodged inside the food. This is very important, so please remember this. I can feel that they are really very crispy now. Just a while more to get a nicer brown color. If you're preparing this for your parties, you can actually do the first fry first before your guests arrive. This is the color that we want, a very nice golden brown. We'll now remove them from the oil and continue with the rest of our wings. Once I'm done with everything, I'll show you the next step. Now we are going to make the sauce. Heat up your wok with about 1 or 2 tablespoons of the oil just now we used for deep frying. Right, swirl the oil around a little bit. Now I'm just using medium heat. You can do the same too. Don't have to turn the heat way too high. 4 pieces of shallots chopped. Fry them until you can smell them. This will just take maybe 15 seconds or so. Pretty fast. If the heat is too high, just turn it down a little bit. We just want to get the fragrance out and not to burn them. Almost immediately, oh, I can smell the beautiful fragrance from here. Next, add in 4 cloves of garlic chop. This is optional. I'm adding in approximately half a tablespoon of chili flakes because I like my wings to be a little bit on the spicy side. You can use fresh chili if you want to. So it's really up to you. Right? Just going to fry them until you can really smell the beautiful garlic, the shallots. Right, this is what we want to extract the flavor out of here. Move them around, okay? Don't burn them. Oh, smelling really, really good. Okay, now we add in water. Add in about 3 tablespoons of water. And 4 tablespoons of Kecap manis. Give it a stir, get all the kind of a fragrance, the flavor all mixed up together. Right, it's boiling like this. Beautiful, this is what we want. Now we can turn off the heat, okay? And we just pour this over our wings and mix them up. I'll show you how I do this. So these are the wings. I put them in our mixing bowl or small pot or basin, whatever you have. Just generously pour everything over the wings, right? And now all you have to do is just mix them up. Just give them a mix, right? Try to make sure that every of these wings have some coating of the beautiful sauce that we've just made. And ladies and gentlemen, it's time for our lunch. And now the dish is done, let's have a taste. Oh, smells really, really good. I can smell the garlic, the shallot, the sweet sauce. I'm just going to bite into this. Oh. Sweet, a little hint of spiciness. Juicy, crispy. This is really, really good. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. And now it's time to cook. See you. Bye-bye. Wow.